Welcome. This quick and easy tutorial will be showing you how to export tasks from Zoho projects. All right, so first up, go ahead and go to the left panel and click on tasks right here. And once done, whatever view you're in, for example, Gantt right here, you can just easily click on three dots, okay, and just click on export. Now let's just go ahead over to list. There you go. So you'll be able to see my task right here. So click on three dots, hit on export task right here. The task view, all open or all closed or just all tasks. Okay. So for example, I'm going to go ahead and export all tasks. Format right here could be a CSV or XLSX. Project category, active, or both active and archive. Okay. Select the columns. Now, if you want to add in more columns right here to your specific export, or if you want to, you can go ahead and move all. Okay. So it will be added on your export. Now, if you want to schedule this export, you can go ahead and do so. Just turn on this slider. If not, if you want to export it right now, just click on export. Okay. Hit on yes right here. Enter a password. Hit on OK. Wait for it. As you can see here, we have a export status and it states export is in progress. A download link will be displayed shortly. So let's just wait for it. Now it's done. Here we have now our download button. So just click on it. Wait for a pop-up right here. Save it wherever you want and rename it if you want to. Okay. I'm just going to leave it as is and hit on save. There you go. Click on it if you want to check it out and enter the password that you just created. Okay. Click on OK. There you go. Here we have the task and all the details associated with it. As you can see here, we have the task description, the project name, the task ID, the assignees, dependency status, and so on and so forth. Okay. And there you have that. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.